Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So if you're looking for the perfect place to clone applications or that particular video that will teach you how to clone applications, this is it. So let's go ahead to learn how to clone applications right here on Android device. So yeah, sometimes you might need two WhatsApp on the same phone, sometimes you might need two of a particular application, a gaming application on a particular phone. Let's learn how to clone that. So go ahead to your Play Store without wasting much time. Then what you have to do is to search for any of these applications. So I'll be recommending three applications here. The first is Parallel Space. So Parallel Space is a very easy app for you to clone application, and it is very light. So you can go ahead to install your parallel space here on your Android device. Going to the other recommended app, you can also get apps like multiple accounts, clone app, parallel dual space. So these suggested applications here, like 1 and 2, can help you clone application. You can have this multiple account dual space or all these similar apps here. But for me, I recommend this one, parallel space, for app cloning. So go ahead to install this particular application, and once you're done installing it, go ahead to launch your application. So this is my parallel space here on my Android device. Let me now teach you how to clone a particular application. So if this video is been helpful at this time, like and subscribe to this channel so you get more tips like this. So once your parallel space is open, it is really simple and very light to use. It doesn't take too much space and doesn't make your phone lag. So as you can see, I've already installed or cloned some application here. And let me go ahead to clone a different application. So I'll click on add application here and wait for this to load. Then choose whatever application you want to clone. So let me think one application I want. So let me just clone any application here. So I'm going to tap this and then just clone LinkedIn. So I'm going to click on add to parallel space. So once you're done, just click on add to parallel space and you see this rolling. So it has already gotten my LinkedIn here. As you can see, I already have LinkedIn here, and I can decide to open my LinkedIn and parallel space to start this application, and I have my LinkedIn here. So you can have more than a particular application right here. So as you can see, this is one LinkedIn, and going home I can guide to open my other LinkedIn account. So as you can see, this is two different applications on the same phone. So that is how to get two applications. This is a link, my LinkedIn account here. I can go ahead to open this one and get to sign up again for another account. So this is basically how to clone applications right here on Android using parallel space. Another big app I can recommend to use, a very light one, and it is called Island application. So Island application is a very big app and a very light app for cloning. So you can go ahead to install Island, and it is very good. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.